What's up, guys? And Riley Way with the back with another epic video. Make sure to comment and subscribe and like this video. Don't like this video if you don't like it. So
I'm video too, guys.
Right now we're at the nature preserve.
Yeah, it is so fun.
You know Riley Way, he's cameraing too. We just saw like 3 big turtles and like a shoe frog. And then the sign says beware of alligators and stuff. So.
And when we went with our mom and stuff and my dad, we went to the wrong thing. And this is still fun, guys. We saw some big turtles.
Where? The what?
A turtle. He went up there.
A turtle?
Yeah.
That turtles can't climb up there.
Yeah. But my brother. Oh, it's a gecko. I saw something coming.
But watch out! Okay, guys, this is actually really cool. Actually, like this.
Scary. Look at that hole. Something might be living in there.
So, like, there's a lot of holes in these trees, and we're like
So scared.
halfway down here, down the trail at the Mineola Nature Preserve. So, yeah, and we'll go. We actually saw people behind us, so we're kind of trying to get finished with the trail before the people catch up with us.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
One time I saw a little baby snake slither.
Yeah, I've seen those so many times, like baby snakes.
Have you
And,
seen
like,
the yellow and the orange and black one?
No,
Well, I did.
but
Remember?
I don't like snakes, so.
Me either. I was scared.
Like, for real, I hate snakes. Why, did you get that text I sent you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, what? It's a one was like, okay, what's up? We're at the nature preserve now.
And comment down below and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. And pretend this is a bell right there.
What Gucci? Guys, make sure to smash that bell like this. See that, bro? Make sure to smash this bell like this. Boom!
Did you just slap him?
No!
And I'll show you all the turtles when we go back. We probably go to that other turtle.
Big pile of dookie. Ew, don't show the camera that!
Come on.